Today I'm going to show you tandoori prawns. My tandoori spice is the same for whether you're doing prawns or chicken or any other meat. The first stage in doing the tandoori is just to marinate the prawns in a very simple marinade of lemon juice. Here we go. Into the prawns. Salt, a couple of teaspoons, or mini teaspoons. And most importantly, cayenne pepper. Teaspoon of that or so, and just move the prawns over. These are tiger prawns, they're frozen tiger prawns. Just a tip: if you're going to use raw prawns, use them the day that you defrost them. Don't let them hang around because then they'll go black and they don't look very attractive. So I'm just going to leave those prawns in my little marinade here for about 20 minutes. While I'm letting them absorb the lemon juice, salt and cayenne pepper, I'm going to make up my tandoori spice mix. I've got a one of those NutriBullet type things. So I've got here something which I particularly like in tandoori is fennel seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, and I put paprika in, which isn't in the original recipe that I got from India, but they use a dye in a lot of tandoori things and it's sort of not what we really like. So I put a paprika in there to just increase the amount of red colour in it. I've got some chilies, just some ordinary common or garden supermarket chilies, and I've got some ginger. So they all go into my whizzer, along with, most importantly in tandoori, is yogurt. A couple of big tablespoons of yogurt, just a little bit more salt. Lid on, excruciating noise. There we go. Now, if you do like your tandoori a deep red, then do put some dye in. Okay, so just add those to the prawns, stir around a little bit, and then we can go off to the barbecue. Okay. Great. It's nice and hot. So, on they go. So they'll take about 5 minutes max. It's smelling really lovely. So I'm just putting a little bit more marinade onto them. They're looking a bit dry, but nice colour. Quite happy with that. No artificial colouring. I'll just drop that down a bit just to warm it all through. Out from the grill. I've just got the simplest of salads to do with this. Some tomato, red onion, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, a bit more salt and some vinegar, and then some coriander on top. That's a beautiful Indian salad. So I'd just like to serve these up as a sort of appetizer. I like to call them nibbles, but you know, like the sort of thing you get in Indian restaurants, you get like poppadoms and a few dips. With your beers, this salad, these tandoori prawns, a bit special.